All right, guys, so we have been practicing combining like terms, and you do know that you cannot combine or add together unlike terms. However, you can multiply unlike terms. So when you use the distributive property, that means you multiply everything in the parentheses by what's outside the parentheses. So that means on this first one, we're going to multiply 3 times x. Well, 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 7 is positive 21. Don't forget about that second term. Everything gets multiplied by what's outside the parentheses. So on number 2, we're going to distribute that 2. So 2 times a is 2a. And we're going to bring down that sign we see. So minus 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 2a minus 8. All right, number 3, 8 times 7 is 56. Minus, and then 7 times m is 7m. Okay, so I want you guys to pause the video and try the rest of these and then come back to the video and check your answers. All right, so on number 4, we have 3 times 4 is 12, minus, and 3 times a is 3a. Number 5, even though it's at the end, we're still using distributive property. We're multiplying everything in the parentheses by 5. So we have 15 minus 5k. All right, number 6, x times a is xa or ax. Doesn't matter. Usually we put them in alphabetical order. And then x times m is xm, or since m comes first alphabetically, we'd say mx. Number 7 is 12 minus 4r. Number 8 is 2x minus 16. Number 12, 1 times 2m is 2m. And we're going to write minus 3 times 1 is 3. And then number 10, 3 times 6 is 18, minus 3 times 2y is 6y. So I hope you guys got those right. So that leads us to finding the area and perimeter of geometric figures. So to find the perimeter of a figure, you're going to double the width, double the length, and then add them together, right? Because if this length here is 8x plus 5, well, then this one up here is 8x plus 5. If this is 2x plus 4, then this side is 2x plus 4. So really what we're doing is we're doubling the width, and we're adding that to double the length. See what that equals. All right, so 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 8x is 16x, and 2 times 5 is 10. And now we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to add 4x plus 16x and get 20x. And then 8 plus 10 is 18. And we are done. We cannot combine these unlike terms. We can't add them. So our answer is 20x plus 18. Whoop. All right. Let's look at this one. So once again, we're going to double that width. And we're going to double the length. And then you guys try that, pause, and then come back. And then the next one we'll try is this one, the area and perimeter. So see what you guys get. All right, so we get 6x plus 10 plus 12x plus 19. Not 19, 18, silly. All right, and then 6x plus 12x is 18x. And 10 plus 18 is 28. All right, what do you guys think? All right, so first let's do our perimeter. So we're going to double our width, 6x minus 7, plus we're going to double our length, So then we get 12x minus 14 plus 8. And then we're going to combine our like terms. Now, this was a little tricky. We haven't really talked about positive and negative terms yet, right? But like I said, remember that our sign belongs to that number. So we have 12x as part of our answer. But then we have a negative 14 combined with a positive 8. So that's like starting on a number line. Here's 0. Down here's negative 14. If we go right 8 spaces on our number line, we would go to the right 8 spaces and we would land on negative 6. So negative 18 plus 8 is negative 6. And like I said, we'll focus more on that probably December, January, sorry. All right, so what about our area? So for the area, I'm gonna get rid of all this. Hopefully you can rewind the video if you need to. Rewind, that's an old term. I'm showing my age. All right, so for area, we're gonna multiply the length times the width. All right, so 4 times 6 is 24x minus 4 times 7 is 28. So the area is 24x minus 28. All right, you guys, try these 3 problems. Now this is a triangle, so the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. Okay. All right, so for perimeter, we're going to double these 2. So we would have 10x plus 6 plus 18. And then we combine our 2 like terms. 18 plus 6 is 24. So our perimeter is 10x plus 24. And our area is going to be our length times our width. So we get 45x plus 27. How are you guys doing? Y'all getting these right? Am I making any boo-boos? Are you guys checking my answers? I hope so. All right, how about this one? So let's just go around this perimeter. This is a triangle. So we're not doubling anything here, right? We're just going around this triangle. We're adding our we're combining our like terms. So I see 2x plus 5x is 7x, and 7x plus 3 is 10x. And then for our constants, we have 7 plus 8 is 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12. And of course, you know that 15 minus 12 is positive 3. Okay, 10x plus 3. Now the area, we don't have enough information to find the perimeter, but we do know that if we multiply half of our base times our height. So let's do our height times our base. So we'll go ahead and half. Well, let's do that last. Actually, let me write it. Let me write it a different way. Well, let's just go ahead and half 4. So let's go ahead and half 4. And then we're going to do this. All right, so now we're going to distribute that 2, and our area is 16x plus 24 inches squared, or whatever it is. All right. All right, how about, oh, that was it. That was all I was going to show you, actually. All right, you guys, I hope that helps. And then you're going to answer a few questions similar to those today. And you'll have at least 1, maybe 2 of those on your next test. All right, if you have any trouble, if that's confusing, you need any help, let me know. Have a great day.